in last lecture we start to solve exercise number 1.2 and in this lecture we solve the question number 1 to question number 6. Question number 5. Now we are going to see next question number 6. Find inverse by using transformation method, and in last lecture we find the inverse by using adjoint method, and in that lecture we also studied how to find minor and cofactor. Now see, we have to find the inverse of this matrix by using transformation method. So here we can use row row transformation or column transformation. Which method? Which are very suitable? You use this method. Now see, here we have to find inverse by using transformation method. So here I am going to solve the inverse by using row transformation method. You should try to solve the example by using column transformation. So first of all, when we have to find inverse, first check the given matrix is invertible or not. Invertible means what? If it is non-singular, then the inverse of matrix is exists. So first check it. Therefore, determinant A is equal to 1 to 2 minus 1. Minus 1 and here minus 4, which is equal to minus 5 not equal to 0. Therefore, determinant is non-zero. Therefore, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Now, by definition of inverse. By definition of inverse. A into A inverse is equal to identity, right? A 1 to 2 minus 1 into A inverse as it is equal to A identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Now we have to convert the matrix A into identity matrix into R, that is 1 0 0 1. Then the R into A inverse, which is equal to A inverse. So first of all we have to make A1 1 1, but it is already 1. So we make the element, that is A2 1 is equal to 1. So how to convert this 2 into 1? Here we multiply by R1 by 2 and take subtraction. So change कुणामध्ये करायचं आपल्याला R2 मध्ये करायचं. So first take R2 changes to R2 minus 2 into R1. काय केलं मी? R1 ला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं आणि तो दोघांमधला सबट्रॅक्ट केला की काय होईल, इथली व्हॅल्यू 0 होईल. Therefore चेंज R2 मध्ये होतोय, सो R1 चेंज करायची नाहीये. राइट R1 as it is 1 2. Now look at here, 2 minus 2 into 1 since it is 0. Now see here, minus 1 minus 2 into 2. R2 minus 2 into corresponding R1 किती आहे 2. So minus 1 minus 4 which is equal to minus 5. Into right A inverse as it is equal to, again leave R1 as it is. Right, look at here, 0 minus R2 0 minus 2 into R1. Since 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. And here 1 minus 2 into 0, that is 1. Now see here, 1 0 1 0. Now make the A2 2 as 1. Mata ha 1 kadi hoil? If we divided this number by minus 5, then it become 1. So in which row it lies? It lies in second row. So minus R2 divided by minus 5. काय केलं आपण? R2 ला minus 5 डिवाइड करतोय म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला 1 मिळते. R1 right as it is 1 2 0 upon minus 5, that is 0, and minus 5 upon minus 5 is equal to 1 into A inverse is equal to, write the 1 0 as it is. Here minus 2 divided by minus 5, so it become plus 2 by 5. Minus minus will cancel, and here 1 upon minus 5, that is minus 1 upon 5. Now 1 0 1. Now make the 2 0. So how to make this 2 0? We multiply this second row by 2 and then take subtraction. Since R1 changes to R1 minus 2 times R2. आता ह्याला 0 करायचा, मग त्याच्या खालचा एलिमेंट किती आहे 1 आहे. मग ह्याला जर 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं आणि दोघांचं सबट्रॅक्शन घेतलं तर 2 minus 2 काय होईल 0. आणि इथं पण चेंज होणार नाहीये. 2 ला जर 0 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 2 into 0. एक गोष्ट नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायची, चेंजेस करत असताना आधीचे चेंजेस तुमचे चेंज होऊ द्यायचे नाहीत. So 1 minus 2 into 0, 1. 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 0. Write the R2 as it is. Into A inverse is equal to. Now see here. 1 R1 minus 2 into corresponding R2 किती है? 2 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5. So 5 minus 4 since it is 1 upon 5. Next see. 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. For this R1 किती है? 0. 0 minus 2 into corresponding R1 minus 1 by 5. So it become minus plus 2 by 5. Write the R2 as it is. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. This is I. Therefore, I into A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Again here 2 by 5 it is minus 1 by 5. And I into A inverse 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5. From this we will take 1 by 5 common. Since the matrix is 1, 2, 2 minus 1. This is an inverse of our matrix A. Now see next example, second. 2, 0 minus 1. 2, 0 minus 1. 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. 2, 0 minus 1. 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. So first look at here. First check its determinant. जेव्हा तुम्हाला एग्जाम मध्ये इन्व्हर्स फाइंड करायला क्वेश्चन असेल, सो फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू चेक इट्स डिटर्मिनंट. If it is 0, then we can't find the inverse of given matrix. But if it is non-zero, then we find the inverse of given matrix. So first check always its determinants. 2, 0 minus 1, 5, 1, 0 and 0, 1 is equal to. All of you know how to solve the determinant. 2 into 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 0, 0. So I am writing. Next here it is 0. So don't take elements. Now minus 1 into 5 into 1, 5. Minus 0 into 1, 0. 2 3s are 6. Minus 1 into 5, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Not equal to 0. Therefore determinant A is non-zero. Therefore A inverse is exist. Therefore A inverse exists. So use the definition of inverse. Therefore by definition of inverse, A into A inverse is equal to R. Right? A 2, 0 minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3 into A inverse is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Now see here. Again we have to convert the matrix A into identity matrix. So first of all we have to make this 2 into 1. So how to make this 2 into 1? So first of all look at here. 2 च्या खालचा जो एलिमेंट आहे तो 5 दिलाय पहा. इथे किती दिले आपल्याला? 5 दिले. मग आता इथे 1 कधी आणता येईल? जर आपण 2 ला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं, 2 ला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 3 into 2 किती येईल? 6 येतील. आणि नंतर जर R1 minus R2 केलं तर 6 minus 5 किती? 1 मिळेल. सो फर्स्ट वी multiply the R1 by 3. R1 changes to 3 R1. तुम्ही डायरेक्टली 3 R1 दिलं तरी चालेल. R1 changes to 3 R1. Therefore our matrix becomes 3 2s are 6. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Here we don't take change in R2, R3. So write as it is. 5, 1, 0. And next 0, 1, 3. Into A inverse as it is. Now see here. 3, 0, 0. Only multiply R1 by 3. 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. Now see, this is 6 and second row element is 5 and we have to make a11 into 1. So we take subtraction, that is r1 minus r2. r1 मधून काय केलं, r2 मायनस करतो आपण इथे. सो 6 minus 5 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 3 minus 0 minus 3. Write r2 r3 as it is. Into A inverse is equal to, again 3 minus 0 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. R2 R3 again as it is. Now next we have to make the 5 1. So now see, the element above the 5 is 1. So here we multiply this element by 5 and take the subtraction of r2 minus r1. तर इथे 0 आणायचं आपल्याला. सो r2 मायनस 5 टाइम्स r1. काय केलं मी इथे, ह्याला 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं, दोघांची सबट्रॅक्शन घेतली, तर इथे काय होईल 0. पण r2 चेंज कुणामध्ये करायचं, r2 मध्ये. सो फर्स्ट राईट r2 1 minus 1 minus 3. Now look at here, 5 minus 5 into 1 since it is 0. Next here 1 minus 5 into minus 1. r2 किती 1 minus 5 as it is. Corresponding r1 minus 1 means minus minus plus 5 since it is 6. Next 0 minus 5 into minus 3 minus minus plus 15 r3 as it is. 0 1 3 into again A inverse is equal to 3 minus 1 0. Now look at here, 0 minus 5 into r1, that is 5 into 3 minus 15. Next 1 minus 5 into minus 1 minus minus plus 5 since it is 6. 0 minus 0 0 0 0 1. Now see here, we have to take 1, r2 minus 5 r1. We have to make this 6 into 1. So how to take here with 6? If we multiply this for this is 5 and take the subtraction, then we will get, so r2 minus 5 times r3. आपण काय करतोय, ह्याला 5 ला r3 ला 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करतोय आणि दोघांची सबट्रॅक्शन घेतली तर 6 minus 5 इथे किती येतील, 1 येतील. आता इथे चेंज का करत नाहीये, पहा इथे केलं तर इथली व्हॅल्यू चेंज होतीये, म्हणून आपण इथे करस्पॉन्डिंग चेंज कुणामध्ये घेतला, r3 मध्ये, कारण इथे दोन्ही पण कसे आहेत 0, त्यामुळे ह्यांच्यावर ऑपरेशनचा काहीही फरक होणार नाही. सो राईट 1 minus 1 minus 3. 0 minus 5 into 0, it is 0, there is no change. 6 minus 5 into 1, that is 0. Sorry, 1. Next 15 minus 5 into 3. This is 15. R2 is 15 minus 5 into corresponding R3. See, so 15 minus 15, it is 0. R3 as it is 0 1 3 into A inverse is equal to, right, R1 as it is 3 minus 1 0. Look at here, minus 15 minus 5 into corresponding R3 0. So here minus 15 as it is. Now see here, 6 minus, again it is 0, so 6 as it is, and 0 minus 5 into 1 since it is minus 1, r3 right as it is 0 0 1. Now we have to make this 1. We have to take this element is 1, the elements which are above this one, which are above and below the second, a22 is 1, we have to make them 0. So first we make this 1 0. Now look at here, here it is minus 1 and here it is plus 1. If we take subtraction, addition of them, then it becomes 0. Next addition, r1 plus r2. 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3, r2, r3, right as it is, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, into A inverse is equal to r1 plus r2. So minus 3 plus 15, minus 12. Minus 1 plus 6, 5. 0 minus 5, minus 5. Minus 15, 6 minus 5, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to make them like second one is 0. So here we take subtraction of these two. We have to make the element in R3 0. So R3 minus R2. Next change is R3 minus R2. So write R1 R2 as it is. 1 0 minus 3. 0 1 0. Now see here. 0 minus 0 as it is. 1 minus 1 0. And next here 3 minus 0 it is 3. Into A inverse R3 minus R2. So 0 minus of minus 15 R3 मध्ये चेंज होतं. minus 12 5 minus 5 here minus 15 6 and minus 5. Now change in R3. So let us check here. 0 minus of minus 15 that is plus 15. Next is 0 minus 6 minus 6. And here 1 minus 5. So minus minus plus then it is 6. Now see the element. We have to make A3 3 2 1. So here we divided by 3. R3 divided by 3. 1 0 minus 3. 0 1 0. 0 upon 3 0. 0 3 upon 3 1. Into A inverse is equal to minus 12 5 minus 5. Minus 15 6 minus 5. If we divide it by 3 then 5 minus 2 plus 2. Now we have to make minus 3 to 0. So here it is 1. So we multiply R3 by 3 and then take addition of these two. R1 plus 3R3. R1 plus 3R3 that is 1 plus, so it is 1. 0 plus 0 1. Minus 3 plus 3 0. 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 into A inverse. Now see R1 plus 3R3. R1 minus 12 plus 3 into corresponding R3 is 5. So minus 12 plus 15 then it is plus 3. Here see 5 plus 3 into minus 2 5 minus 6 that is minus 1. Next one minus 5 plus 3 into 2 minus 5 plus 6 since it is 1. Minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 and 2. The matrix is converted into identity. Therefore, R into A inverse is equal to 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. Therefore, write A inverse is equal to our given matrix. And see next question. Question number 7. What is question 7 here? And if we have to check whether your matrix, inverse of matrix is correct or not, then you should multiply our matrix A inverse and take product of A and A inverse if it is identity matrix. If product of A and A inverse is identity, then your inverse of matrix is correct. So write the inverse A inverse. Next question, question number 7. Find the inverse A by using column transformation here. By using column transformation. A is equal to 1 0 1 0 2 3 and 1 2 1 by elementary transformation, elementary column transformation method. Let us see. First, always check its written there. if you find it inverse, 1 0 1 0 2 3 1 2 1 is equal to 1 into 2 minus 2 into 1 2 minus 6 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 into 2 0 and 0 minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 and here minus 2, that is equal to minus 6, not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now here we are going to use column transformations method. So here we write, therefore by definition of inverse, A inverse into A is equal to identity matrix. So A inverse into A is what? 1 0 1 0 2 3 and 1 2 1 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So first here we are going to use column transformation method. So first of all, see 1 0, then you have to make the 1 into 0. So see, and in which column it lies? It lies in column number 3. So see, in column the first element is 1, so we take subtraction of C3 and C1. C3 minus C1, it can also written as C1, C3 changes to C3 minus C1, meaning of these two are same. C3 minus C1, when we take change in C3, so write C1 C2 as it is. 1 0 1 and 0 2 2 as it is. Now see C3 minus C1, so first take elements in C3. 1 minus 1, it is 0. Next 3 minus 0, 3 and 1 minus 1, it is 0. So first here A inverse is equal to, again write 1 0 0 0 1 0. Now see 0 minus 1 minus 1. C3 minus C1. Next 0 minus 0, 0 and 1 minus 0, it is 1. Now see, we have to convert the 2 into, we have to make this 2 1. So here we divide by 2. And which column the element? That is in column C2. So we divided 1 half into C2. So 1 0 1, 0 upon 2 0, 2 upon 2 1, 2 upon 2 1. Write C3 as it is. A inverse is equal to 1 0 0, 0 upon 2 0, 1 upon 2 and it is 0, minus 1 0 1. Now we have to make next element 3 into 0. So आता इकडे 3 च्या इकडे कोण 1 दिसतो आपल्याला, तर C2 मध्ये 1 आहे. मग काय करूया आपण, या 1 ला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं आणि या दोघांची सबट्रॅक्शन घेतली तर इथे काय होईल 0. सो चेंज कुणामध्ये करायचा, C3 मायनस, मग 3 याला 0 करायचं, सो याला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करून घ्यावं लागेल. C3 मायनस 3C2, 1 0 1 0 1 1. सो 0 मायनस, इकडे करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट 0च आहे. 3 मायनस 3 into 1 0, 0 minus corresponding C2 1. So here it is minus 3. A inverse is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 half 0. Now see here, minus 1 minus 3 into 0, there is minus 1. Next 0 minus 3 into 1 by 2, since it is minus 3 by 2. So elements व्यवस्थित पहा, 0 minus 3 into half, that is minus 3 by 2. Next here 1 minus, that is 1. Now we have to make the element into 1. So here we divide it by minus 3. And which column it is? That is in C3. So C3 divided by minus 3. Then we will get 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 upon minus 3 0 0 minus 3 upon 3 1 0 0 0 1 half 0 minus minus 1 by 3. Here we divided by minus 3. So minus 3 will get cancelled. See here. Minus 3 by 2 upon minus 3, that is minus 3 by 2. 3 get cancelled, and here 1 half and minus 1 upon 3. Now we have to make these twos are 0. So we take subtraction. First we make the element in C1 0. आता ह्याचे करस्पॉन्डिंग कोण 1 आहे पा, आपल्याला ह्याला 0 करायचं आहे, तर मग 1 कुठे आहे, इथे पा. पण C1 मायनस C2 घेऊन चालेल का, नाही चालणार, कारण जर तुम्ही C1 मायनस C2 घेतलं तर इथे पुन्हा -1 येईल, म्हणजे हे चेंजेस पुन्हा काय होतील, कॅन्सल होतील. मग पुन्हा पा C3 घेऊन चालेल, कारण 1 मायनस 1 हा 0 होईल, आणि इथे मात्र दोन्ही ठिकाणी 0 आहे, त्यामुळे इकडे चेंज होणार नाही. सो C1 मायनस C3 A inverse C1 minus C2 1 minus 0 1 0 minus 0 1 minus 1 1 0 0, right? C2 C3 as it is 0 1 1 0 0 1 is equal to C1 minus C3. So 1 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3. Next 0 minus 1 half minus 1 half. Here 0 minus of minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. C2 C3 as it is 0 half 0. Next 1 by 3 1 half and minus 1 by 3. Now we make these 1 0. So again we take C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3. Then 1 0 0. 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, and 1 minus 1, it is 0. C3 as it is 0 0 1. A inverse is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 half 1 by 3. Now 0 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 1 half minus 1 half 0. 0 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 1 half and minus 1 by 3. We will simplify this matrix, take LCM and find the value. Now here it is identity matrix, therefore A inverse is equal to this is our inverse of given matrix. Next, question number 8. You should try to solve by using our example number 6 and find the answer of our question number 8. Here we find the LCM of 2 minus 1 and 3. It is 6. So we take 1 by 6 common from this and write the answer. Question number 8 you should try to solve. Next, see next question number 9. If n is equal to if A is equal to 1 0 1 0 2 3 0 2 3 1 2 1, B is equal to 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7. Then find matrix X such that AX is equal to B. Here we have given two matrices and one condition, that is AX is equal to B. Here we use any method by using row transformation or column transformation. Here we use column transformation. From given condition AX is equal to B. 1 0 1 0 2 3 1 2 1. X. You have to find the matrix. 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7. So first we use column transformation. So first it is 1 0. Now we make this 1 into 0. So first we take C3 minus C1. C3 minus C1. इथे 0 करायचे. So subtraction घेतली दोघांची. 1 0 1 0 2 2. Changing only C3. So write C1 C2 as it is. 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 0 3. 1 minus 1 again it is 0. Into x is equal to 1 2 3 1 1 5 and 2 4 7. Now see next here we have to make this 2 to 1. So here we divide by 2. Here we divide C2 by 2. Then it becomes 1. So C2 upon 2. 1 0 1 0 upon 0. Sorry 0 upon 2 0. 2 upon 2 1 1. 0 3 0. Sorry here I am going to change this. 1 1 2 2 1 4. 3 minus 1 2. 5 minus 1 4 and 7 minus 2 it is 5. X. C2 upon 2. 1 1 2. 2 upon 2 1. 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 2 2. Write C3 as it is. Now we make this 3 to 0. So C3 minus 3 C2. We have to take काय करायचं इथे 3 ला 0 करायचं. सो याला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करून दोघांची सबट्रॅक्शन घेऊ. पुन्हा मध्ये C3 मध्ये. सो C2 ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं. Therefore C3 C1 C2 write as it is. 1 0 1 0 1 1. C3 minus 3 C2. See here 0 minus again it is 0. So the first element is 0 here. Now 3 minus 3 it is 0. And see here C3 minus 3 C2. C3 is 0 minus 3 into 1 since it is minus 3 into x is equal to corresponding change in B also. 1 1 2 1 half 2. Now see here C3 2 minus 3 into corresponding C2 1. So 2 minus 3 it is minus 1. Next 4 minus 3 into half, that is 4 minus 3 by 2. So 8. 4 into 2 8. 8 minus 3 5. 5 upon 2. And last one is 5 minus 3 into 2. So 5 minus 6 minus 1.